Today, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down menu to your board in Monday.com. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to standardize options across your team, whether that's for priority levels, project statuses, or any other category where you need consistent choices. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your workspace in Monday.com and selecting the board where you want to add the drop-down menu. Once you're viewing your board, look towards the far right side of the header row. You'll see a plus button there, which is your gateway to adding new columns and features to your board. Go ahead and click on that plus button. A menu will appear with various column types you can add from this menu. Select dropdown. This is the option that will allow you to create a list of predefined choices that team members can select from. It's perfect for maintaining consistency across your board and ensuring everyone uses the same terminology. The dropdown column will now be added to your board. You'll notice it appears as a new column on the right side. At this point, the column has a generic name, so you'll want to customize it to match your specific needs. Click directly on the drop-down column header text, and you can rename it to something meaningful. For example, if you're tracking task priorities, you might name it priority. If you're categorizing project stages, you could call it status. Choose a name that clearly represents what the drop-down will be used for. Now that your column is named, it's time to add the actual labels that will appear in your drop-down menu. Click on any cell within your new drop-down column. A text field will appear where you can type your first label name. For instance, if this is a priority column, you might type high as your first option. After typing the label name, you'll see an option that says create as new label, or you can simply press enter. Either action will create that label and add it to your drop-down options. The label will now be available for selection in any cell within this column. To build out your complete drop-down list, simply repeat this process for each additional label you need. Click another cell, type the next label name, and press enter or select create as new label. Continue this until you've added all the options your team will need. For a priority column, you might add labels like medium and low after adding high. Once all your labels are created, using the drop-down becomes incredibly straightforward. Simply click on any cell in the drop-down column and you'll see all your created labels appear as options. Select the appropriate label for that item and it's instantly applied. This creates visual consistency across your board and makes filtering and sorting much more effective. And there you have it, you've successfully created a functional drop-down menu in your Monday.com board that will help standardize information and improve team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.